So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with some of the exciting features and exciting information. It's not about the functional video and the coding video right now. I'm here to discuss about the latest Shopify release for the Shopify Edition Winter 25. So, as a Shopify developer, we all were excited to let know which updates will come or which new functionality will Shopify bring. But Shopify came up with nothing new, everything improved. So nothing new, no new functionality has been added, but they have improved a lot with the existing functionalities. So as per the developer's perspective or as per the Shopify user, they have done the major updates in the liquid code as well as made the cart and checkout UI to load the faster. So we will take a look on the features and important updates which Shopify has bringed out in this video. So let's start with the developers on the store front view. So what they have come up with is theme block is now live. So what does that mean? We define a block in the theme and we can reuse that block across the sections. We can nest the theme blocks and pass to the child blocks with the dynamic sources. So that's quite exciting feature that they have came up with. So what does that mean is if we go onto the online store and if we try to edit the code, let's go straight into that so that I can let you know what exactly it that means. So here earlier there were the tabs are for layout, templates, sections, snippets and rest of the things, but now you will be able to create the block as well. So that this block we can reuse this app block on multiple multiple sections or snippets. We can use that. So next update for the developer is accelerated liquid workflows. So theme CLI, based on theme CLI and GitHub based, now on the visual code we will be able to see the definition of the liquid, like okay, why this, what does the section means, what does that tag mean. So that has been improved. The next is enhanced accelerated checkout button. So it's the simple thing, like they have enhanced the UI and the functions for the accelerated checkout. Those who work with hydrogen, there is a good news for them is hydrogen will now support for the gift cards. So it enables to apply the gift card directly to the card pages who uses the hydrogen stores. Then the major updates are for like meta object theme setting, low inventory cart warning, 50% faster cart request. So if you have the major cart, like if you are using the wholesale and you have the number of products in the cart, that will be 50% faster now. And yeah, that's probably is for the developers. And one more thing, like they have added the more content in the GraphQL APIs if you guys use the APIs. So majorly, like for the storefront, these are the changes they have bring with for the developer. So these are the top updates for the developer. um, Next is that, like, for the online store, they have top updates are for draft order can now works with the function bundles and checkout extension. Shopify POS will work with the bundles, retails, customer segments and customer meta fields. Now if you check my latest video on configuring combined listing, so that now will be configured with search and discovery app, which is by default by the Shopify. We can use that as well. And major updates are with loading speed across the cart and checkout, and rolling out sidekick market, new analytics and customer account extensions. So these are the major changes for the online and the theme developer. So these are quite few highlights for what Shopify brings out right now for the users. Basically they have more focused on the speed and the UI for the new winter edition. And if you take a look on the customization of the Shopify, that also has been bit changed. So if you have the image banner, so it will look like first image, and this, like, the kind of UI has been bit changed. So these are some of the like major updates Shopify brings out. Let me know what you think, that if Shopify has done it right, or you were expecting more from the Shopify. Like, there might be some new feature or new functionality should be there. If you feel in that way, let me know in the comments and we can discuss further on the next video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.